Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and boy do I have an exciting video for you guys. It's a Caribbean backyard style barbecue. Over the Labor Day weekend, my family and I decided to have a backyard barbecue. We invited some friends and we had a wonderful time. We grilled chicken, shrimps, and lobster, and here I'm going to give you a sample of what we did. On the grill we had Greg, one of Nevis's top barbecue chefs. If you ever went to Nevis and visited the candy shop back in its day, well guys, he was the griller there, and he turned out some wonderful, I'm talking about finger licking barbecue dishes. Now let's get into the video. First, Greg is going to barbecue chicken. For the chicken we have drumsticks and wings. What I have done beforehand is to clean and season the chicken. Then they are placed on the grill. And this grill is a two-tiered grill, which means a lot of chicken can be done at once. Just a little information about the grill. It is a charcoal grill and not a gas grill. I prefer doing barbecue on charcoals. It just gives it a better flavor. Once they're on the grill, Greg closes the grill so that the chicken can cook slowly, and he keeps it closed for about 20 to 25 minutes, then opens and turns the chicken on the other side as demonstrated in the video. Once all is turned, the cover will be closed again and reopened after some time, and the chicken will be turned. And this is going to be the process until the application of the barbecue sauce. And guys, this is what makes the barbecue chicken taste so yummy, their sauce. It takes about an hour for the drumsticks and the wings to cook completely on the grill. You do not want to overcook them guys, or else they'll get hard and tough. In the Caribbean, we love some good barbecue. There is nothing else like a good Caribbean barbecue, and this is what we enjoy guys. As you can see, Greg is just turning the chicken so that they can be cooked on all sides. After about 45 minutes of cooking, he is placing those that are almost done on the top tier of the grill so that he can apply the sauce. The sauce will be applied to every inch of the chicken. The sauce will be applied to every inch of the chicken so that they can get fully coated with it. And guys, it takes about 1 hour for the chicken to cook completely on the grill, as mentioned earlier. And I'm just going to leave you with what he's doing. Sorry for the lighting guys. All of the chicken would not be finished at the same time, so according as they are finished, once they have been sauced, then they are removed from the grill. And those that have not been finished as yet, they will continue to cook until they're ready to be sauced and removed. Guys, the sauce is a secret recipe, so I cannot tell you all of the ingredients that's inside of it, but there is ketchup, barbecue sauce, a bit of mustard, some orange juice, and that's all I can say. And here you have it, guys, the completed barbecue chicken drumsticks and wings. Guys, they are finger licking good. They are so delicious. They are that good. They were fully enjoyed by our guests. Also on that night, we did some shrimps kebabs and lobster in foil. They are large sized shrimps placed on skewers with a mixture of red, yellow, and green bell peppers, as you can see from the image shown. So you have to be careful not to overcook them. For the lobster, you have to pre-cook the lobster before grilling. So what we did with the lobster, guys, was to cut them in halves and squeeze lime on each half and added garlic butter along with some salt and wrap them in foil. Once wrapped in foil, they were placed on the grill to simmer in their own juices. And guys, after a few minutes, they were tasting great. And here you have the finished products, guys. You have the lobster in foil and they're beautiful. Guys, you should be able to taste it. I wish that you had tasted them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about my backyard Caribbean barbecue. Guys, it was fun. Everyone who came had a good time. The conversations were good and the food was off the charts. And thank you to Greg, who was our griller extraordinaire. And as usual, thanks for viewing. And please check out my videos on how to clean and season chicken. Thank you.